Congratulations, savvy marketers! You've now navigated the expansive landscape of Facebook marketing, from setting up your business page to diving into advanced strategies. But the journey doesn't end here. In fact, it's just the beginning. So what's the next step? Let's explore that together in this final segment, What to Do Next. First and foremost, take a moment to analyze your performance. Dive into Facebook Insights, dissect the data from your campaigns, and identify patterns. What worked exceptionally well and where can you tweak for improvement? Understanding your metrics is key to refining your strategy. Now that you've gathered insights, it's time to set new goals. What do you want to achieve in the next quarter or year? Whether it's increasing brand awareness, driving sales, or expanding your audience, defining clear goals will guide your future efforts. Facebook is dynamic with updates and new features rolling out regularly. Make it a habit to stay updated. Follow industry news, attend webinars, and be part of the Facebook community. Staying in the loop ensures you can leverage the latest tools for maximum impact. Don't be afraid to experiment and innovate. Try new ad formats, explore emerging trends, and push creative boundaries. Remember, the digital landscape evolves, and being a trailblazer can set you apart from the crowd. Engage with your community. Respond to comments, encourage discussions, and build a sense of belonging. A thriving community not only boosts your brand, but also provides valuable insights directly from your audience. Finally, embrace the mindset of continuous learning. The world of digital marketing is ever evolving. Enroll in courses, attend workshops, and surround yourself with resources that keep you ahead of the curve. Your commitment to learning will fuel your ongoing success. So, there you have it, your roadmap for what to do next. As you embark on the next phase of your Facebook marketing journey, remember that success is a journey, not a destination. Thank you for joining me on this comprehensive course. Here's to your continued success in the world of Facebook marketing. Until next time, happy marketing.